Hey guys, welcome to Phone Brother. And hey brothers, we hey guys, welcome to Phone Brother. And today we have the Unihertz, a smartphone from Unihertz, the Titan Slim, the latest model from the special smartphone brand Unihertz. And Titan Slim is just the latest model from them, and they just finished their Kickstart from crowdfunding and successfully get over $0.5 million in the platform. And today we have the have it on hand, and we will have a very quick and very simple unbox video on this model. And today we have the Titan Unihertz, the black edition, and we have the 6 GB RAM plus 256 GB RAM edition. So next, let's check what's inside the box. Okay, so the box is very simple. It's pure white design, and we just can get some brand and the model information from the front of the outside of the books. And okay, let's check what's inside this box. And as we open the box, we get a small package. I think this is the SIM card ejector, SIM card pin, and we have a Titan Slim user guide, user menu. Okay, also here is the warranty card, and also we have a special, very small screen protector. Yes, screen protector in the package. Okay, so this is the stuff in this small package. And when we open the box, Unihertz, designed by Unihertz. Okay, so next, under the small package we got the smartphone. It's in a soft bag, plastic bag. Okay, so this is smartphone, and we put it aside. And next, let's check the things on the smartphone. So here we got the a paper card, and I think this is for the charger adapter and charger adapter cable. Okay, so yes, so this is the charger. Here got the charger. Okay, it's a very small charger, really small charger. Input and output. Input 100 and 240 watt, and output 5 watt, almost 2000 mAh. So this is a small charger. And okay, let's check what's inside this. Okay, so here we have a white. Okay, this is the Type-C to 3.5 mm adapter for the earphones. And here we have I think this is the this is the cable. Let's check the cable as well. Yes, so yes, this is the Type-C to USB cable. Okay, yes, Type-C, yes, you can see the Type-C to USB cable. Okay, so this is all the accessories inside this box. I put all the stuff, accessory aside, and check the smartphone itself. So okay, so that puts this also aside as well. And okay, so finally we can see the smartphone is protected by the case, originally in the soft plastic bag. And as you can see, This is the case, and this is the front. The back of the smartphone of the case. The case is not flat. Is we can find some brand name. The camera, single real camera. Well, it's rare seldom to see that the smartphone use single camera, and also the dual color LED flashlight, and also the buttons. I think this is the power button. Yes, we already. And here is the volume button and power button, volume button. Here I think it's the customized key button. And when we take off the plastic case, we can check more details. And this is front. Yes, front of the smartphone. Well, it's so different as we have, because we just reviewed so many pure screen and touching experience smartphones. This one is have the physical buttons zone. It's really special. And also here it's the screen. If we cover this, the upside it's really like a pure Android touching smartphone. So today we will talk on this smartphone from several aspects. First of all, the appearance, the appearance about smartphone, and then the screen, and also the processor, and the camera, and the batteries. So first about the screen, I think about the appearance, and I think I already talked a lot on the appearance. It's just simply it's just a different design language smartphone, and I think it's inherit the Unihertz and the BlackBerry design languages in this smartphone. So I don't want to talk too much, and I just want to talk on some other aspect, like this time the size is really not so big, and the dimensions about the smartphone is 146.85, and the width is 67.6 mm, and the depth is 12.75 mm. So actually it's a slim. They call it the Titan Slim, so it's really a slim. We can see we can find it from the length, and the width is slim, but this time the depth is not so thin. It's thick. I think that's during they use the big batteries, the 4100 batteries, and this about the size. And also this time the smartphone is not so heavy. It's only 204 grams, so it's easily to hand it on hand for a long time. And also next about the screen, and this time they have a screen has 4.2 screen, and it's not so big size, and we can see big bezels here, so it's not so good when we use it to watch videos. But the display resolution is also good. Is 768 and 1280, so the display result performance is good, considering it have a only 4.2-inch screen, so the display is good as well. So also next we'll have talk about the battery, and this time they have a big battery. I think this we can know why it is so so thick. Is have 4100 big batteries on this smartphone, and I think for such a small screen and small size screen, small size smartphone, you can take it at the best perfect backup smartphones, and it can have long standby time for you as a backup screen smartphone. And also they have the Type-C charger, so it can charger. You can find the cable and charger easily all around. And so this is about charger. And also the other things I think I will mention is about the camera one. This time they have a single rear camera and single front camera, and for this one is 64 megapixels. Sorry, it's 48 megapixels, and for this one is 8 megapixels. So the we can get some things with some object here, and let's do it to take some pictures. So here first let's take the to test the real camera, and also next is about the focus on the here. And so now we have a real camera shooting and front real camera shooting. And first to check the real camera photos. So the pictures actually is nice. I'll show you. Colors almost same, and the details is also good. We can check the we can check details here. We can find some details. So the real one is it's not so bad. It's good. So it's only have one main camera, no wide angle, no night vision, and no other functions, but it's also good. And let's check the front camera. Here we can find, yes, the front one actually is so. Here we can get some information, but we cannot get. We can only get the big numbers. We can only see the big numbers clearly, but for the small one, we cannot see it. And also here the circle around the camera zone, we cannot get more details, only the bird. So also let's check the case. The case details we cannot see it. So it's so for the real one, and for the real one is okay, but the front one is also just so. So this is about the camera. And also the next I will talk about the processor. And this time they have the very old chips used in this smartphone. Is the Hello P70 octa-core processor. It have the 12 nm producing technology. It's old one, and maximum is support up to 2.1 gigahertz rate on this this model. And also for the RAM and ROM, is have 6 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM, and it support LPDDR4 and UFS 2.1. So if it cannot support you to play big games like Genshin, but if you can just use the daily life, use it in your backup phone and talking and normal videos and some small games, or watch movies or messages, it can totally meet your needs. So no need to worry about. And also the other things that I think I should mention, like here they have this support infrared controller, and also it have a I think I should take off the case. Now we can find the logo here, and also back cover is shining, different angles, different result. So it's also nice on the back cover, but it's easy to left your fingerprint on the back cover. And also just now I think we're here, yes, we talk about here the infrared remote controller. And also here they have yes, the red button is I think it's a customized button. We can from the offshore website, we know it's a customized button. I think we can get some information here. Yes, now I can show you how to use it, the customized button. Here, when we long press it, it can turn on the LED light. So it's really nice when you another long press, you can turn off the light. So it's really useful for this button. I think most of the large phones, they have these buttons. Also the Unihertz other models, they produced also large phones, they also have this button. Like the Atom, if I'm wrong, I remember they also have the large phones, the Titan, the Unihertz, Atom, or other phones, they also have this useful function key. So this is about almost the specification of this model of the Unihertz Titan Slim is really nice for such a small smartphone, and it's so unique in the smartphone industry. And I hope they can make more special looking, special design phones in the market. It's really like fresher in the market. And also I hope you like this video. If you like it, just subscribe, and hope you let's stay tuned and wait for more cool gadget from here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.